Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we're actually going to be talking about Jstack. So overall, the entire market is down significantly still, sitting at around almost 4% down. We even see Bitcoin down about 3.36%. Everything's kind of just jumping between these major levels, as we do see a kind of update here at about 41.5K. So overall, our large cap and even medium tier gems are taking a little bit of a beating right now, which means obviously our small cap gems are as well. Now, in regards to Jstack, what's very surprising to me is that Jstack has been holding up fairly strong opposed to this dip. Volume is still up about 21%. If we check out the holders tab, we actually do see that more and more accumulation is actually happening on this asset. Even going back 1 month, right? To the end of August, we were at 9,562 holders. Now we're sitting at about 10,218, and I think that this is going to actually increase as more and more individuals find out about Jstack, because they are doing incredible things, and I think that the future innovation that's happening here is going to be, even better. But overall, when we're talking about what's happening in regards to the market, right? So we need more CEX listings, that's no doubt, and I do know that they, teased a little bit of a CX listing coming very soon. I don't know when that is actually going to be happening. We didn't really get any updates on that. Maybe the Jstack team could comment on that in the Discord. If you guys aren't in their Discord, you should definitely join it. But overall, when we're talking about Jstack's price, we have been ranging on for a fairly long time. So obviously, here is the chart here. So let me just remove some of these lines off of the screen. And we're going to be talking about some specifics in regards to what I see happening currently in regards to the entire market for Jstack. So when we're talking about this, I actually want to talk to you guys about this in regards to, let's zoom in here. So when we're talking about the past few weeks or even days, going back to the initial move out of September, look at this major bear or bull flag that we have been pretty much ranging here on. This is massive accumulation. Looks extremely bullish to me overall. If we actually look at the major line of support here, so overall, when we're talking about the support level, this could be pretty much the major line of support down here that we're pretty much just ranging in between. Hopefully the market kind of holds still and we don't break this line here at about 2 cents almost exact. What we really want to see is a break above resistance at about the 2.5 cent zone to actually hold above this, range even higher, maybe even hit a little bit more resistance up here at almost 3 cents exact, and then we'll pretty much range to get to, obviously 4 cents where we topped out at lastly. So when we're talking about what's happening with Jstack, I think that we're just kind of trading against the market right now. There is some signs of major resistance. We could actually see that this point that we're on right now, or this line of support that we're basically on, is also some major resistance levels as well. In my sense, right, when we're talking about how long this is going to last in terms of consolidation, first off, major bull flag in my opinion. So this is telling me that we are going to range higher if the market allows it, of course, which I think that we will. I think that as we march into, the fall time, into even the winter months, I think that Jstack is going to perform fairly well. I just think that we need more volume. I think that we need more CX listings as well. But innovation is continuing to grow at Jstack in regards to the gallery, in regards to what they're doing as well in terms of IDOs as well. So overall, they're doing great. And we're actually going to be talking more and more about this. So when we're talking about the chart, there's nothing really to report on except for it's pretty much doing almost what everything else in this market is doing. And that's just kind of consolidating sideways. But this is significant because we are basically building a ground floor level around the 2 cent zone. We peaked down a little bit below it here and there, but nothing too crazy. So I'm expecting a little bit of a breaking point out of this, major consolidation zone very soon. Hopefully by the middle of October to the end of October is where we will see some major moves on Jstack, leading us into the winter months. So overall, let's jump into some more news. So we do see our top gainers of the day. Now this goes back 2 days, so we're not really concerned right now in regards to top gainers of the day, but we do see that Jstack was actually up about 22.3%. And do you guys notice a little bit of a pattern here? Well, basically all four of these tokens, first off, shout out LTO. I actually mentioned that before. It's actually an incredible token. But overall, when we're talking about all of these assets, Jstack is the only one that is not on a centralized exchange or a CEX, right? So it's not on any major CEX currently, and I think that this is actually funny because, you know, Jigstack, for what it is worth, might not have the volume aspect of many of these other assets, but it could really compete in terms of, being a top gainer. So I think that that's very cool. I think that that also shows you how early we are with Jigstack, because once a lot of people actually find out about Jigstack and once it gets listed on some major exchanges, who knows, maybe Binance would be huge. I think that that could allow us to have some major price, increases as well as price appreciation. Of course, the Jigstack team is working endlessly to try to get those updates out. I actually already seen, there are major updates in regards to the gallery. It looks incredible, as I've mentioned before, and we're actually going to be talking about that as well. So overall, incredible asset. I think that we just need to get some more volume flowing in, as we even see $466,000 worth of volume. Just imagine if we had, $134 million of volume moving through Jigstack. That would be absolutely massive where the price would be. Now, also, we do see here Jigstack or Jstack, the synthetic reward that will bring Jigstack to the next level. The first Jstack payment has been dispersed today, 28.09. Now, if you guys are confused on what this is basically a governance token. It doesn't have any monetary value, but it does allow you to pretty much govern the overall ecosystem as well, which is pretty cool. Now, a lot of people are actually talking about Jstack. A lot of people are excited about this as well. Basically, you could earn this by staking your Jigstack or your stack on the stackbank.com website. It's fairly easy. Of course, you have to pay Ethereum gas fees, but I think it is worth it, especially if you do like residual income long term. I'm going to pretty much, just leave that capital in there and just earn, some ROI on that while, we just wait and kind of consolidate into the later months. So overall, I think Jstack is really cool in regards to the overall, governance factor behind it. So definitely cool to see, as we do see more and more of those rewards being dispersed. I actually seen mine actually update today on stackbank.com. So very interesting. Now we also see over here, we did see the first IDO be launched today. Basically, it is already sold out, but you could have got in early if you do hold, a significant amount of stack. But this is actually Depot_IO. Pretty cool token, but we also seen that stack was being burned as well today, which again is incredible to see. Less and less supply, of course. Rewards to the stack bank as well. So a lot of those who are staking got those rewards as well. 500k depot to stackbank.com as well. So great to see. Again, innovation happening daily on the ecosystem, as well as stackbank.com, and those individuals who are staking getting those residual income rewards. It's very, very great to be holding Jigstack, even at the current prices, which I don't mind about consolidation at the current prices at all, especially when we are allowed to pretty much earn this residual income. So great to see still. Now, talking about the gallery. Again, this is what I was talking about pretty much all last week and even this week in regards to Jigstack. So we do see here the initial version of galleries online. Selected artists will exhibit their premium and unique NFTs. Now if we go check out the gallery, which I'm going to show you guys in a second, gallery boasts a low 2.5% fee, royalties up to 50%, and rewards to stack holders. Development continues as we build/add platform enhancements. Now again, this is extremely clean, guys. This is actually an incredible innovation to NFTs as well. Just so you guys know, if we see all here, I have 4 on here that are going to be coming soon. These are the crypto moonboys, just so you guys know. If anybody was unaware of what I was basically going to be selling on here, these are the NFTs that I'm going to be selling. These are the crypto moonboys, but all of this is going to be released on launch, which is very great to see. Again, very clean website. Everything from the UI to the design is incredible. I think that this could compete with those high-level NFT platforms. I've already said that multiple times, But again, it is the truth. Now, we also see over here, just as he did for StackBank, our lead developer has created a video series to give us an early look. And again, when we're talking about how easy it is to really kind of mint your NFTs, check out how easy this actually is. I'm just going to play this. Let's skip ahead a little bit. But overall, you're connecting your wallet. Again, you're just signing in. Once you sign in, basically you see up here that you're signed in. He's going to click create. And then this is where you'll basically upload your files. Again, it's fairly simple. You name it, you put all your royalties, all your descriptions, all that kind of stuff in. It's fairly simple. Again, like I said, very easy UI to really work with. Very simple and less complex than most, other websites, for an example, like OpenSea and stuff. Now, again, you could pretty much just put your royalties if you wanted to, like 1 through 10, or I think like they said 50% is like the max. I don't know. But we also see the initial price for it as well. And then you pretty much just create it. Again, signing it just similar to OpenSea or how, Rarible or Mintable, whatever the case may be, whatever you're using. It's fairly simple, straightforward, very clean, very simple, like I said, right? So when we're talking about the overall UI, I think that this could really compete with those major other, exchanges in regards to NFT platforms and NFT exchanges in general. And again, you could pretty much just click your profile and see your pending, ready for sale, on sale, all that kind of stuff from your profile. Again, it's very simple. It's very easy to understand. And when we also look at the gallery, we even see here, we're on the cusp of being able to present our game-changing premium NFT platform. This is before they launched it, but we also see they're committed to keeping the artists and the community up to date. In the first version, the crypto artist has no fees, only 2.5% to OpenSea. Following every successful sale, we will make a full and secure distribution of the proceeds to the artist. And then we also see OpenSea issue. We didn't forget our stack holders. Jstack will cover the 1% fee and make 2 allocations. First, 80% of the fee goes to StackBank. So those who are staking on StackBank will see those residual income, earnings, heightened even more. And we also see finally 20% of the fee is burned in Jstack. And we also see further announcements, including the launch date, are coming soon. We appreciate your patience. Again, guys, when we're talking about Jstack, I think that this is great for those who are actually looking for residual income or to earn, extra. For an example, even on the stackbank.com website, if you've been staking a significant amount, you've probably earned a significant amount as well. You could actually earn more than what most people actually buy in regards to Stack. And when we're talking about the future, I think at some point in time, say for so, even if you only earn 2,000, right? At some point in time, that 2,000 will most likely be worth $2,000, and at some point, $20,000. So I think it's great for a residual income basis. You could earn a lot more in regards to the rewards factors, the fee burns, all the fee allocations as well. So this is great to see, and I'm very excited for the future of the gallery and also all of the innovations happening at Jstack. Of course, we will watch the price as we do trade a little bit more and more sideways. The market is kind of doing its thing, so until the market really kind of fluctuates into a stability standpoint, we won't see too much upward momentum on Jstack, but I do believe that it is coming, especially considering the fact that the market looks like it's, repeating its 2017-2018 pattern fairly closely. So I'm excited for the future of Jstack and the future of all of crypto. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys don't want free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and also join the free Discord down in the description below. But with that being said, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night, wherever you guys join us before this. But Nick, peace out, guys.